Hey guys, it's just aka Designer Mom, and in today's video I have another bag review for you guys. I know how much you guys love unboxings and bag reviews on my channel, so I figured why disappoint and let me deliver. Okay, so I have another one to share with you guys, and this time it's affordable. Okay, in my opinion, an affordable luxury bag. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the new beauty that I have. I actually had it for a while. I got it for myself as a Mother's Day present this year. So it came for Mother's Day. They had like this sale going on, so I got this for free. I would show you guys, but I honestly don't even know how I got it to look like this in the first place. I was watching a bunch of tutorials on how to wrap a tule, and I finally got it to look somewhat decent, so I'm scared to even mess with this. Okay, this is from the brand OLEADA. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, and from what I know, it's a New York based brand. Look at how beautiful. So this bag is the mini anchor bag in the color cloud, and I'm gonna give you some details. I have my tablet here so I can make sure I don't leave anything out. This bag is so gorgeous. Now I'm going to be honest, it's been sitting in like its own little not the dust bag, but I have like the way I set up my bags, I put in like this beautiful display so it doesn't get dust or anything, and it's been sitting in there for months, and I've been dying to wear this bag, but because of its color, I'm not going to lie, I was so scared, didn't want to use it. But then I was going out on a date with my husband, and I was like, you know what, let me grab this bag. I decided to take it out. I didn't baby it too much, but I did kind of keep an eye on it because again, we were going out to eat and the color is so light. And when I tell you, when I got home, there was no issues with the bag. I was actually super surprised, and there's nothing on the bottom either. Like, I honestly sat it on top of the table where we were eating. There's nothing on the bottom, so it held up so well and it feels so beautiful. So let's just go over some things about the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna set her right here. As of right now, filming this video, this mini anchor bag goes for $535 USD, and it's the color cloud. So honestly, it's not a super bright white, so if you order this color, it kind of gives me more of like a creamy, like off white color. It's definitely not like a pale white, so if you're worried about that, it's not that type of white. And it's a matte pebbled Italian top grain leather. So it comes in two sizes. This is the mini size, and honestly, for a mini bag, this thing packs a punch. Like, I had this thing packed up. So if you're someone who is like, I don't know if a mini bag would work for me, their version of mini is honestly, to me, probably like a small slash medium in between. It doesn't give me like mini vibes. So, and it also comes in the original size, which I believe is just stacked a little higher and a little slimmer in. But it's so beautiful, and it does come with detachable straps, so if you wanted to wear it across your body, you could do that. I personally haven't worn it like that just because I feel like it looks so elegant, just top handle. Like, now it doesn't per se go with what I'm wearing today, but trust me, if you're all done up and you throw this baby on, like, it's beautiful. Now I know this is supposed to be like an inspired version. I don't know the brand, but darn it, I should have looked it up really quickly before I did this video. But if I can remember, I'll put it on the screen. It's supposed to be an inspired version of like another top like luxury house brand, and I think the style actually is a tad bit smaller and like a little more slimmer, and it's way more expensive, guys. And so this, for me, it's more affordable. Like, I was looking at that style and I was like, I really like it, but I didn't know if I wanted to pay that price for such a smaller bag, because like I said, this bag, even though it says mini, the inspired version that it's kind of going off of is more smaller than this, and I was just like, I don't know if that's going to work for me. I wanted to try it out first to see if I would even like the style, if I would really pick up the bag that much. And honestly, after owning this bag and using it for the first time, I don't even want the other version, the more expensive version, just because, like I said, this version is more bigger, so it has more space. So beautiful, and it's very low key. Like, when I went out to dinner, I had somebody ask me about the bag. It was like, oh, that's a beautiful bag, you know, where is it from? And I just told them, like, oh, it's from OLEADA. I think I'm saying that right. And I told them, you know, it's pretty affordable, and you know, I got compliments on it, so it's beautiful. It's not like a bag where everybody was like, oh, you got that such and such bag. So I thought it was pretty low key, and it's so stunning and beautiful. And again, like I said, to the touch, chef's kiss. Okay, let me see. It comes in a few colors, so if you wanted to get it in a different color, you totally can. It has an adjustable belt strap, which I'm going to show you the strap in a second, and they say it only weighs 0.84 pounds, and it's recycle your used bags with us for a reward. Oh, so if you wanted to, you know, buy this and then get another bag later and you don't want this anymore, that's something you can do. So without the strap, so just like this, it weighs 0.84 pounds, and with the strap, it weighs 1 pound 2 ounces. So the height of the bag is 9.1 inches or 23 centimeters. The width is 2.7 inches or 7 centimeters, and the depth is 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters, and the adjustable strap is 43.5 inches or 115 centimeters. I'm telling you, for a mini, it's a perfect size, because to me it's not really a mini. It's kind of giving me, like I said, a small, maybe a, like in between a small and a medium, like somewhere in that range. Like I was telling you, it's so perfect. Like I packed this thing up and I was a little nervous about the top. It did feel a tad bit heavy because I had a bunch of stuff in there, and I was like, oh, I hope I don't ruin like the strap up here. And honestly guys, this is such good quality. Like there's nothing wrong with the bag. Like there's no stitch undone. Like I'm trying to look at it right now because like I'm giving you guys, this is not sponsored by the way. I purchased this with my own money. Now I was inspired by Hello Catcity Walk. She's another YouTuber, and she, you know, she resides in New York. She does a lot of bag reviews, and I love her channel. And I saw her, she was talking about this bag, and it kind of was like, oh, I'm kind of interested. I want to look that bag up, because like I said, I saw the original version, but it was super expensive from the luxury house that's selling the original style. This one was an alternative and at a fraction of the price. She kind of like put it on my radar, and then I did some of like started watching a few other videos, and I really liked this color. I don't have, oh well, actually that's a lie, I have one white bag. I still haven't used it till this day because it's white and I'm scared to use it. So this is kind of like my second whitish creamish bag, and after using this, I think I'm gonna go give my other white bag a try. But this held up so beautifully. And let me show you guys the strap, and it's top grain leather, girl, so it's real leather. You're not getting, you know, fake leather. And as you guys could see, I have never used a strap. It's still wrapped up. I still have the stuffing paper in, because when I put my bags back in like their display boxes, I like to make sure that it keeps its shape. So for right now, I just keep this in there, and the inside is a beautiful suede. But let me show you guys. I guess we can open it together. I've never even opened it because I was just like, I don't need this right now. And it came packaged so well. Let me show you guys. I'm really excited. Like honestly, I think I want to get another bag from them, because I was just so impressed by the quality of their bags. And again guys, this video is not sponsored. Like these are my genuine thoughts. I truly like it, and I want to try out some of their other bags. They definitely, and guys, I know affordability, that word is relative, you know, like every person's finances are different. But when we're talking about a $500 bag versus a $3,000 bag, in my opinion, that's a big difference. The straps is the same color, and they're so beautiful. Now I can't really give you any kind of like thoughts on the straps, because like I said, I haven't used the straps, so I don't know if like they're a pain in the butt to use. I'm feeling on them right now. I'm like, they feel really good. So these are the straps. If you wanted to wear it with the bag, you totally can. If I'm being honest, the only one con that I genuinely have, because like I said, after using this bag, quality's on point, it's beautiful. I wish it had feet, especially because of its color. It feels amazing to the touch, and I really like the gold detail, in addition to like this kind of two colors that they have here. Like I think it's so cute and unique, so I really like that. It kind of gives it like a little balance. And then just this little tool up top, it's just like, come on, like it's giving me class. Like it's giving me classy. Like I really like it. And then it has a pocket in the back, and there's a pocket on the inside. Oh, actually there's a zipper pocket on the inside, and there's two pockets right here, and then just one big open space. And it feels like, I don't know if it's suede, but it feels really nice. And let me see if there's any stains in there while I'm looking now. Because like I said, I packed this thing up. I honestly don't see any stains. Like I would tell you guys, like if this thing was terrible, I would honestly tell you. If you guys are still kind of like, oh, five and change, which I get is kind of pricey. I don't know if they do sales often. Like I said, for Mother's Day, they were running a sale and a promo. So I saved on that, and I also got a tool leaf for free. Or you can try to look for any sponsored YouTubers that are doing, reviews on this. Maybe you can get some percentage off. I'm not sure. Even looking now, when I was looking at it, I did see that they have currently, at the moment of recording this, I think it was like 20 or 25% off that I saw. I don't know if that's on all their bags or certain bags, but so I guess they do promotions from time to time. So you can always check in to see if, they have anything, if you want to give it a try. But like I said, honestly, I paid like for something, I think, because again, it was during like some sort of sale. It's honestly not bad for like the price that I paid. And even if it was at $5.35, after owning this bag, and even though I only used it one time, it was such a pleasant experience that if I lost this bag and I had the opportunity to buy it again, would I absolutely would. So I would recommend this bag. So all right guys, I'm gonna end this video here because you guys know I get crazy with bags, and I will ramble all day for bags because I love bags. But we're gonna end the video here, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. But for now, we're gonna end the video here, and as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.